Today we'll talk about how can you disable half-white notifications uh, on your tracking Fasten app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here on your profile. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Come here to halfway trot. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color is gone. That's mean here halfway trot notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.